I'm Deepesh Bhatnagar. I lead the private markets practice at Evalueserve. Been with the company for 17 years now within the financial services domain and then part of corporate and investment banking team. From a educational background perspective, I'm an engineer done in mechanical domain. Post that I did my MBA in finance and then I joined G Capital. Post that I moved to Evalueserve. Started as a senior business analyst. From there, grew up the ranks and now I'm managing this specific line of business. Yeah, it is a very kind of a natural progression for us to move into private markets because of our DNA within the investment banking. So as we were kind of a powerhouse in the investment banking side, it was easier for us to move into private markets and build that practice because in the industry also, the investment banking folks, they move from investment banking side to private markets as their career progression. Similarly, for us, taking our solutions from investment banking to private market was a natural progression, and hence we thought of focusing and kind of growing in the private market space as well. Yeah, there are multiple challenges that the private markets are juggling with, right? One is the data problem, wherein they are having a lot of data, either for their own kind of operations or for their portfolio companies. So they see a lot of issues with how to kind of streamline that data, get insights, and then how to present that data or how to absorb that data or to get valuable insights from that data. So we see that a lot of clients would want to look at solutions which are able to kind of streamline this data problem, either to create insights through that or maybe in terms of reporting, how we can kind of create, say, dashboards or the reporting or the business intelligence part of it. So data is something that I believe is one key problem. The second is around dealing with like multiple deals at the same time. So we have seen like when it comes to due diligence work, the clients need a lot of support and there's a lot of kind of legwork which happens in order to reach to a level of evaluating a deal. So a lot of that work is also something which we believe is the clients would need kind of a support. So the legwork pertains to a lot of, again, data management, lot of finding specific information about the companies, about the new deals. So the investment professionals are so busy that they don't have much time to really look into that information. So the private market firms really want to partner with us on those specific aspects where they believe that that part of work can certainly be taken up by firms like Evalueserve. The beginning of last year, we have seen the private credit market coming up, and also because of the reason that the interest rates are high and hence the clients are leveraging us to get their portfolio being kind of regularly monitored, and we see a demand, certainly a demand in that area. So with the increase in private credit, we see a lot of private credit firms have grown their portfolio size and they have added many more assets. They're also launching a lot of funds in this area. So we believe that the private market industry as such will grow, and the need of more monitoring will be there, and hence the private credit firms will be partnering with us on such specific tasks, be it portfolio monitoring, be it reporting, or be it document management. Private markets, they are one of the laggards when it comes to adopting to technology. And what we have seen that they've started showing a lot of interest and getting technology into their kind of day-to-day operations. So we see that as we move forward, technology will play a big role in how the private markets would get their work done or want to incorporate technology in their strategy. So obviously digital transformation is a very big thing which is we are seeing in creating value for these portfolio companies. Every portfolio manager or the operating partner within private equity, they are looking their companies with that lens, that how to make that company more efficient. And the way they are looking is through digital transformation, be it in their FP&A division, be it in their strategy division, or be it in their core operations division. So we see that like technology will come into play there as well. And we are supporting a lot of our clients into doing that by helping them into either on the data analytics side or on the reporting side, and also creating a lot of platforms. Technology side, we have seen that a lot of private markets firms with whom we have engaged, there is a lot of technology element within their processes. So when they see us as a partner, they would really want us to look at with that lens, that what are the different processes where we can use technology and make their processes more efficient and smart, right? So we are engaging with our clients on the credit space, where we are helping them creating platforms which are helping them in document management, where they are currently using manual processes, Excel trackers to manage their documents, while we are coming in and creating the entire platform for managing their documents. Then on the portfolio monitoring side, we are using our tools like financial statement or financial data extraction tool like SpreadSmart to update their credit models on a quarterly basis. Then on the reporting side, we are creating kind of smart dashboards through Power BI and Tableau, which are taking their Excel charts and tables and moving them into smart dashboards, where they are able to slice and dice the data and are able to look at the data from their portfolio level view or even the asset level view as well. So we are looking at that lens and helping our clients being more efficient and smarter. We are partnered with multiple clients, I would say multiple buckets of client. We are working with large global private markets firms as well, where we are helping them in more data centric, more voluminous work, where they have more scale and they need support on. While we also work with mid-market and small boutique private market firms as well, like family offices, founder-driven firms as well. And there they need support more on a deal-centric basis, where they need more high-involved support from us, which is supporting them on financial models, doing a lot of screening on companies, doing a lot of company level kind of research. So there is a little bit of difference in terms of how we are supporting the big players in the market versus the mid market and the boutique firms. Deal sourcing is one key area where the clients would certainly want to partner with us, because it requires a lot of kind of digging of the data to find a lot of investment opportunities which are there in the market. But because their investment professionals are so tied up, they don't have time to really look at all the sources to get that relevant information. So we come in and then they partner with us to get those specific ideas, and we help them get to a point where they have the list of ideas which they can screen further. Private market firms, they don't want their investment professionals to really spend a lot of time in something which is more data centric or require a lot of data digging. So they thought of probably partnering with firms like Evalueserve to get that initial work done, and then they are able to get a product which is at a level 2, so that they can then further screen the opportunities. Like most of these clients have portfolios either on the equity side or on the credit side, and that's a standard process of updating credit models. So they feel that something which is more standard and where they can really take out time of their portfolio managers, they feel that they can partner with Evalueserve on those specific aspects as well. So again, as an industry, we have seen that this is a low-hanging kind of a topic, and clients would really want to kind of leverage a third party for such task. So a lot of our clients are also leveraging us for their portfolio company support, and this is a very unique requirement where they don't want us to just support their own processes, but they want us to come in and work with their portfolio companies and help kind of support them as well. And it is across the domain, be it in their FP&A division, be it supporting their marketing or the strategy teams as well. And there also we have used technology platforms and created a lot of customized platforms or tools to make their portfolio companies processes better. A lot of these portfolio companies are juggling with raw data, and the PE firms would want their data to be streamlined. So where we come in and then we streamline their data processes as well, be it financial reporting, be it customer level data, or be it product level data. So the key benefits that we are able to pass on to our clients are around insights. The clients have really appreciated the kind of deliverables that they have seen, that they are more insightful, and because of our domain and the kind of people that we hire from the consulting background, from the industry itself, we are able to kind of generate a lot of insight, and hence the client is able to kind of get value out of those. Yeah, so we have made life of investment professionals very easy by getting a lot of the data work done by us and helping them get to a level where They can present almost a client ready deliverable to their partners and MDs, giving a lot of insights to them for creating a final, say, investment committee memo, a report to their partners, making them more efficient in terms of getting technology into their day-to-day operations so that they look smarter in front of their operating partners or the portfolio companies. So again, these are some of the kind of ground level benefits that we were able to pass on to investment professionals. Again, partners see a lot of insights. One, they are able to take decisions faster. Again, when they are presenting these reports to the investment committee, they are able to prove the point in terms of why the company is suitable for an investment and so on and so forth. So yes, so in terms of taking decisions faster, they feel that the deliverables or the product that we are delivering are near to the finish line. The clients are leveraging us on the portfolio monitoring side because they are able to get some efficiencies through one, the domain knowledge that we have. Second, we are able to churn these credit models in a very kind of quick turnaround basis. And then we are also using automations to streamline their credit process and say use our platforms to extract data in a automated fashion. So whenever we see or whenever we get a problem statement around portfolio monitoring, we look at the end-to-end process. We also try to suggest client with ideas on how to make the process better because of the domain knowledge or the specialist that we have, and eventually make the entire process very streamlined and more efficient. From a Evalueserve strategy perspective, we continue to focus on the private markets because as we see as the deal activity will increase, we see this market will grow, and more private equity firms will be focusing on deal activity, data management tasks, and hence there would certainly be a need to partner with.